Your CV is your first impression. It's not just a summary of your qualifications, it's a marketing tool to show employers why you're a perfect fit for their team. Whether you're applying to a hospital, retail pharmacy, pharmaceutical company, or a research lab, your CV must be clear, relevant, and tailored. Let's break down the ideal CV structure for pharmacy graduates, step by step. First up, the header. Keep it simple. Full name, phone number, professional email address, and LinkedIn profile if available. Next, your professional summary or career objective, just 2 to 3 lines. Customize this section for each role. Focus on your goals and how you can contribute to the employer's success. For example, motivated and detail-oriented B.Pharm graduate seeking to begin a career in regulatory affairs, strong academic foundation, internship experience in quality assurance, and a passion for pharmaceutical innovation. Now education. List your most recent education first. Include degree, institution name, passing year, and CGPA if it's decent. For example, Bachelor of Pharmacy, B.Pharm, XYZ University, 2024, CGPA 3.75 out of 4.00. Internships and industrial training come next. This is your practical exposure. Highlight what you did, what you learned, and where you trained. For example, intern, Square Pharmaceuticals QC Department, June to August 2023. Learned GMP compliance procedures, assisted in sample testing and documentation. After that, skills. Divide your skills into 2 categories, technical and soft skills. Technical skills might include HPLC handling, Mississippi office, pharmacovigilance basics, and SOP writing. Soft skills could be teamwork, time management, communication, and attention to detail. Certifications and courses are important too. Include any online or in-person training, especially in pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, data analysis, or clinical research. Examples: Certificate in Regulatory Affairs from Pharmalytics Academy, or Clinical Trials 101 from Coursera. If you've done a thesis or academic research, list it under projects or research work. Mention the topic, objective, and outcomes. Don't skip extracurricular activities or volunteering. Activities like volunteering in health camps, blood donation drives, or organizing pharma seminars can show leadership. Now let's look at some common CV mistakes to avoid. Spelling and grammar mistakes. Always proofread twice. Avoid generic CVs. Tailor your CV for each job. Don't make it too long. 1 page is enough for freshers. Use a professional email like firstname.lastname@gmail.com, and never make false claims. You'll get caught in interviews. Ready for some bonus tips to stand out? Include keywords from the job description. Add a short cover letter when applying. Attach your LinkedIn profile link with a professional photo. Use action words: assisted, conducted, collaborated. And always save your CV as a PDF, not Word. That's a wrap on our CV tips for fresh pharmacy graduates. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Pharmalytics, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more career-boosting content. Let me know in the comments if you want a free CV review or need help with cover letters. Check out our next video on top pharma interview questions. See you there.